जो हार नीची तो फिर भी मैदान नहीं छोड़ते, हार नीची तो फिर भी मैदान नहीं छोड़ते. Now I would like to call your Miss Purva Kuar to express her views on Teachers Day.
जीत के खातिर बस जुनून चाहिए, जीत के खातिर बस जुनून चाहिए, जहाँ उबाल हो ऐसा खून चाहिए. ये आसमां तो आएगा ज़मीं पर, ये आसमां तो आएगा ज़मीं पर, बस इरादों में जीत के गुण चाहिए, बस इरादों में जीत के गुण चाहिए. अरे उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरें गिरा नहीं सकती. अरे उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरें गिरा नहीं सकती. अगर जीत हो जीतने की तो हार भी आपको हरा नहीं सकती. अगर जीत हो जीतने की तो हार भी आपको हरा नहीं सकती. So firstly, I will say thank you to the president and the organizer of this program, one and only Sir Jagdish Mandile, chief guest, all the students and anchors, to give me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you and to share my views about teachers. So today I feel very happy and proud to stand here to speak few words about my teacher. And I saw that some students came and said that teacher is my hero, teacher is my future, teacher is my second one parent. But I won't say this usual lines like others with fake smile that teacher is my second one parent. But instead of that, I want to say from my heart, not from a textbook like everyone else, that yes, I am a student, and yes, I admit sometimes we students are so careless and so annoying. But it doesn't mean that teachers are the robots. Yes, we behave like the teachers are robots. Homework complete? No. Chapter read? No. And words memorized? No. We always say no, no and no. But a real drama is that when the teacher says that students, it is my last class with you, so what we do? We suddenly freeze. There is tears in our eyes. And what we say to the teacher? Sir, please don't go. Sir, we will miss you. Now you care. Now you remember. And we act like teachers are the syllabus machine. Open the book, start a chapter, close the book, and take the question answers, and take the test, give the marks, and disappear. But have we ever asked our teachers that, sir, are you okay today? No, because we think that they are here to do their only job. They are here to do only job. They are here to take only payments. But no, it's your misunderstanding. It is not any kind of job. It is not any kind of duty, or it is not to take payments. It is the passion, and it is the real power of the teacher to teach to the students and to develop students. And the most biggest example is one and only the Sir Jagdish Mandile. He not only teaches grammar, he not only teaches how to speak English, but he also teaches us life lessons in our life. And he also develops students, leaders and speakers. See, I know not every teacher is sweet. Some are strict, some are scary, but all of them want you to be better than them. ना थके कभी पैर, ना कभी हिम्मत हारी है. ना थके कभी पैर, ना कभी हिम्मत हारी है. हौसला है जिंदगी में कुछ कर दिखाने का, इसलिए अभी भी सफर जारी है. You know what's funny? We know every character in Balveer, every dialogue, every twist in Anupama, and every dialogue from Pushpa. And we cry even when the Nagin loses her power, but we don't even flinch our eyes when the teacher enters into the class, tired and still trying to teach us like nothing happened. We all clap when we all clap for Virat century, but we don't even clap for our teachers who corrected 100 papers in a single day, in a single midnight, and with tired eyes. We give standing ovations to the actors, all actors for doing their movie best. But the one who gave their best, who taught us how to read the movie title, so we forgot to even greet them. See, but the real question is that, what about your teacher who enters into class every day when no one respects them? Because you know why? And you know why? In our minds, teachers are just a default backgrounds and extras or life fill. But no, it's a misunderstanding. But guess what? Without them, without teachers, you are just a confused character with no script. So today, I don't want to say Happy Teachers Day to all teachers, but instead of that, I want to say thank you teacher for being our heroes, for tolerating us even we acted too, and not for giving up, which we almost gave up on ourselves. And so the good So a teacher is like a candle which consumes itself to light the path of others, for others. And all the hard work and all the hard work and efforts you invested in us to bring out the best in us, so it can never be paid. And I will be always thankful to all my teachers, and for that I salute to all my teachers for teaching me, for supporting me, for guiding me to face any kind of challenge. So at last I want to say the teacher is not just a guide, is not just a support, but it's a light, it sparks a fire of knowledge. And before concluding my speech, I want to say that ये आसमान छीन गया तो क्या नया ढूंढ लेंगे, हम वो परिंदे नहीं जो उड़ना ही छोड़ देंगे। अरे ये पारावर छूट गया तो क्या नया सागर ढूंढ लेंगे, हम वो कश्तियाँ नहीं जो तैरना ही छोड़ देंगे। एक रास्ता मिला नहीं तो क्या नई राहें ढूंढ लेंगे, हम वो मुसाफिर नहीं जो चलना ही छोड़ देंगे, हम वो मुसाफिर नहीं जो चलना ही छोड़ देंगे, हम वो परिंदे नहीं जो उड़ना ही छोड़ देंगे, हम वो परिंदे नहीं जो उड़ना ही छोड़ देंगे। So thank you and